Spirit Tower information, India 17540, weather wind 120 at 7, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature cold, dew point -6, altimeter 3015.
Departure.
Departure, you have a great day calling 375.
364, turn right, heading 150, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, right turn 150, flex at 364.
364, if you could without delay, traffic on a 2-mile final.
Delay, flex at 364.
At 364, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, flex at 364.
Tower 5942 Foxtrot with you on the ILS 8 right.
5942 Foxtrot, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Land at right, 42 Foxtrot.
Tower, turn right southbound, runway 8 right at Alpha 10, clear for takeoff.
42 Foxtrot departing 8 right at Alpha 10, right turn southbound.
Contact St. Louis departure, 126.5.
42 Foxtrot, over to departure.
November 901 Papa Alpha, Spirit Tower, turn left on course, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff at Charlie, 8 right, turn left on course, 901 Papa Alpha. File to request frequency change.
901 Papa Alpha, frequency change approved.
Kilo is with you, visual 8 right.
Number 65 Charlie Kilo, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear land.
8 right, clear for land.
Station 65 Charlie Kilo, turn left at Alpha 5 and then contact ground point 7.
Alpha 5, ground point 7, have a great day, 5.
Spirit Tower, Caravan 227 Gulf Hotels, holding short, 8 right.
Number 227 Golf Hotel, Spirit Tower, hold IFR release.
For IFR release, 7 Gulf Hotel.
Number 227 Golf Hotel, Spirit Tower, turn right, heading 180, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
8 right, clear for takeoff, turn right, 227 Gulf Hotel.
November 227 Golf Hotel, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, 7 Golf Hotel.
Meridian 2406 Papa, we're on ILS 8 right.
November 2406 Papa, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear land.
Clear land, 56.
270 Papa's off at Delta.
7270 Papa, contact ground point 7.
770 Papa.
For Tower 5942 Foxtrot on the ILS 8 right for a full stop.
November 5942 Foxtrot, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear land number 2.
The land number 2, 42 Foxtrot. 42 Fox, just verifying clear to land.
November 5942 Foxtrot, affirmative, runway 8 right, clear land. .2406 Papa, turn left at reverse high speed Alpha 6 is in contact ground point 7.
6 over the ground, 726 Papa.
Number 4 Echo Charlie, runway 8 right, clear to land number 2.
Right, clear to land number 2, 4 Echo Charlie. Number 5942 Foxtrot, turn left at Alpha 6 and then contact ground point 7.
Alpha 6 over the ground, 42 Foxtrot, good day.
Spirit Tower, November 68 Alpha Mike is holding short of runway 8 right, ready for takeoff.
November 68 Alpha Mike, Spirit Tower, turn right on course to the southwest, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Turn right on course for the southwest, cleared for takeoff, runway 8 right, November 68 Alpha Mike.
Number 68 Alpha Mike, frequency change approved. Have a safe flight.
Frequency change approved, November 68 Alpha Mike, have a good one.
Check 111, runway 8 right, clear to land.
8 right, clear to land, crew check 111.
Check 111, turn left at Alpha 5, taxi straight into park and remain this frequency. Have a good day.
Alpha 5, straight ahead with you, career track 111, thank you, you as well. Medevac start check 240, short of 8 right, ready for departure.
Medevac start check 240, Spirit Tower, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, clear.
50, 8 right, clear for takeoff, Medevac start check 240.
Check 240, contact departure and have a safe flight.
For departure, have a good day, start check 240.
Check 644, runway 8 right, clear to land, number 2, following Cessna traffic, just outside of a 2-mile final.
Right, clear to land, we're following number 2 behind that traffic, crew check 644.
Check 644, continue down the runway, turn left at Alpha 5, taxi straight into parking with me. Have a good day.
Continue down the runway down to Alpha 5 and we'll talk back to you on ground. Crew check 644. Spirit Tower, hello, Cessna 20843 holding short, runway 8 right at intersection Charlie, ready.
Cessna 20843, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right at Charlie, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 8 right, intersection Charlie, 20843.
Cessna 20843, turn right on course, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 8 right, intersection Charlie, 20843.
Spirit Tower, Suburb 8903, hold short 8 right.
Suburb 8903, Spirit Tower, hold short runway 8 right.
Short 8 right, Suburb 8903.
Suburb 8903, Spirit Tower. That's the traffic's in a right turn going southwestbound for now. Turn right heading 180, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Turn right heading 180, 8 right, clear for takeoff, looking for the traffic, Suburb 8903. Bear 8903, contact San Luis departure, have a safe flight. Departure, Suburb 8903, good day.